Hi there, students. Margin, a noun. Marginal, an adjective. Marginally, an adverb. And then to marginalize as a verb. Okay, a margin. The first thing I think of with the word margin is this line down the edge of the paper when you start writing. Yeah, you don't start right at the very edge of the paper, you leave a margin. Yeah, and that's a margin. So make sure you leave a nice wide margin when you write a formal letter. Okay, a margin. The difference between two things, the amount which one is different from another. So your profit margin. Yeah, okay. Or my team won the match by a very large margin, by a lot of points. Yeah. Okay. We were leading by the narrowest of margins. Okay, and then a profit margin. The profit, my margins are very small. Okay, so the profit, yeah. Maybe you could improve your profit margin by moving the factory to a cheaper country. The margin, the edge, the outside of something. So this plant grows on the margins of lakes and rivers. Yeah, or maybe it grows on the margins of wooded areas, so on the outside bit. If something is on the margins, it's on the outside. So very often he lives on the margins of society. Yeah, so they're only on the edge. They're not mainstream. They're not involved. Yeah, they're part of a group, but they're not the mainstream. You have mainstream and then the margins. Please, would you remain on the margin and not interfere on the side? Okay. Okay, there's not much margin for creativity, so flexibility, leeway, yeah, wiggle room if you like. We need to leave a safety margin in case the traffic is very heavy, a margin of safety. Yeah, so this is the maximum level of risk, and there needs to be a margin between that and the acceptable level. So the margin, the border, yeah, the edge of something, the amount that two things are different. Yeah, he won the election by a wide margin. There is no margin for error. There's no space. There's no leeway, no wiggle room. Yeah, the margin of error is the degree to which something is wrong. Okay. So yes, we won by a margin of 100,000 votes, by a very wide margin, by a narrow margin, by a 3-goal margin. Yeah, a victory margin. Okay, a good profit margin, a low margin. Yeah, so this company makes very low margins. The difference between cost and selling price is very low. Okay, even in you can buy stocks and shares on margin. You borrow money in order to do this, so this is leveraged. Yeah. Okay, the gross profit margin, the net margin. And I haven't even got to marginal yet. Okay, marginal as an adjective is something that's very small. So this effect is marginal. It only makes a very tiny difference. there was only a marginal interest in this. People were interested, but not very interested in it. In politics, a marginal seat is one party that has been won, but only by a very small margin, by a small amount, and the support is divided among the people voting between the different parties. So it's very easy that it could change. This is a marginal seat, yeah. The Conservatives won a marginal Labour seats or marginal seats in the last election. And then marginally, just a little bit. This is marginally better than you did last time. Yeah, things have improved marginally, but only just the tiniest amount. Okay, so if something's marginal, it's a small amount, a small effect. Yeah. This will only have a marginal effect on the amount of time you spend, a marginal improvement. Yeah, the profit margins have improved marginally. Okay, to marginalize, to push somebody to the edge, to treat someone or something as if it's not important. So yeah, the English language, it seems to be taking over the world, and many small languages are becoming marginalized, okay, being pushed to the edges. Yeah, so to marginalize, to treat a person as insignificant. We should not marginalize these concepts. We shouldn't trivialize them. We shouldn't treat them as unimportant. Yeah? If you marginalize a group, it means you make them feel isolated and unimportant. Okay, yes. At school, you've got the popular group of all the sports ones and ones that go out with the girls, and then the nerds have normally been marginalized. They've been pushed to the back. Yeah, for many years our society has been marginalizing women, to relegate to the edges, to the fringes, to take out of the mainstream. Yeah, okay. To marginalize, to exclude and ignore, to relegate to the margins, to the edges of. Yeah, divert public attention away from it. Okay, so yes, if you marginalize something, you treat it as if it has marginal importance. Yes, some political groups are racist and marginalize various different racial groups. Okay, so a margin, an edge, a profit margin, a difference between the two. Yeah, to win by a large margin. This is very marginal. It's only very slight, very small. It's marginally different. To marginalize, to push to the edge, to exclude. Let's see. Spelling, marginalize. I think either with an S or with a Z. Yeah? I would guess that the Americans are going to put this with a Z. Marginalize in English with an S, British English? I think so, but you're more likely going to find it with a Z. Okay, so margin, business word, 5.5 informality. Marginal, 5 informality. Marginalize, 5.5 informality. Use them all absolutely anywhere. And then okay, to marginalize, also a regular verb. And then as to origin, well, this comes from marginem, from margo, meaning the edge, the border, the margin of something. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Margin, marginal, marginally, marginalize.